Hello, my name is Ana Teresa Limon-Miro. I am a dietitian and a postdoctoral fellow at the University of Alberta in Edmonton, Canada. I am very excited to talk to you about my research project called Energy Metabolism in Patients with Cirrhosis and Obesity. Cirrhosis is a medical term we use to refer to a chronic disease where scar tissue accumulates in the liver. It can be caused by a number of different things, including excess body weight. As the scars become worse, patients can progress to a more advanced disease called decompensated cirrhosis. In this stage, they can get complications such as fluid buildup in their legs and their tummy, and their survival decreases. As our society becomes more overweight, it is not surprising that almost 1 in every 3 patients with cirrhosis present obesity. As a dietitian, I know that it's important to provide cirrhosis patients with the right amount of calories. Too much or too little can be harmful for these patients. Unfortunately, people with decompensated cirrhosis and obesity are some of the most challenging patients to figure out how many calories they really need. Published guidelines give us recommended equations to follow. The problem with these equations is that they are based on little evidence and are very different between each other. Research that I've done in the last year has shown that these equations can overestimate the number of calories in up to 80% of patients with cirrhosis. We need studies that accurately measure what the total energy needs are in this population. The study I am proposing will be the first to measure the total energy needs in patients with cirrhosis and obesity using the doubly labeled water method. This technique is special because patients can still live freely at home during the 2 weeks while we are carrying out the testing. It is considered the gold standard to measure the number of calories a person needs in free living condition, and it is not affected by a person's weight or fluid buildup, like patients with decompensated cirrhosis and obesity usually have. We will compare the results we find using the gold standard technique to current guidelines and suggest any changes that need to be considered so these patients can receive the accurate energy prescriptions they deserve. The study fits with the Aspen Research Agenda priorities, and I would like to thank the Aspen Roads Research Foundation donors for making this important research opportunity possible. Thank you.